What is your name?
My name is Jason Studenwalt.
And what are you here for?
We are here for a recruiting day for our unit. Our unit is Company I of the 31st Virginia, the Lewis Rangers, and we also portray Company A of the 10th West Virginia.
Okay. Could you tell me about your outfit?
The outfit that I have on is a Union outfit. It is a wool with a navy blue jacket and a sky blue pants. The typical Union soldiers would have had uniforms like this. This is what they would have wore. The hat that I have is a civilian style hat. Most soldiers kept a civilian style hat. The reason for it is because of the wide brim on the sides to keep the sun off the ears and off the face as much as possible. A lot of them had a bummer, which was called a bummer, which was a forage cap. And it would have been blue with the same material, and it would have stuck up about that tall off the hat. They called it a forage kepi because they would put apples, oranges, and then flop it back on their hat as they're on the march. And then they had with the standard kepi, which was a lot smaller, and those were more typical for your officers than most of your common soldiers. So, Confederates was the same way. They had jean cloth wool, which I'm doing Union instead of Confederate. Well, today that had blue jeans on would ask us if we were hot, and we were like, well, when we're standing here, yeah, it's hot. But when the wind blows, we actually get the breeze, so it cools us down, where your jeans you have today are so tightly woven, you don't get the air. It's like right now, I'm standing here, and I can feel the breeze blowing through, and it's on my legs, and it actually feels pretty good. So.
Very interesting. Okay. What is your vision? What are you?
Our vision is to try to teach the people about the time in our nation's history when we fought against each other, and to bring to life the way that they lived and how they were, and to give what things was like back then for the common soldier and life as civilians, even back then, how things were. We are trying to build a, how can I put this, a vision for people to, understand that this was a bad time in our nation's history. Back when we was in school, we had several, about a half a book on the Civil War, and now it's just one paragraph, and that's it. And it's sad. So.
Okay. Who can join?
Anybody can join our unit if they want to. We are actually here today. We have applications for people that want to join. Our applications just lets us know that you're really interested and you really want to join. We are a family-oriented unit, so if your kid wants to join and mom and dad want to join, they're more than welcome to join in with us. Anybody that's single that is out there that is of age, they can join. Most of our events that we do are anybody that is 16 and older is allowed to carry a rifle. Anybody younger than that would have to carry a flag or an instrument, a drum or a fife. That way they can get on the field as well. But as far as that goes, men, women, children, anybody can join our unit.
So we will be at the library today.
We'll probably return here in a minute and do some more recording. Thank you.
You're welcome.